Dear students, today we are going to do question number 5 of exercise 2.5. The question is, we have to factorize the polynomial that is 4x square plus 9y square plus 16z square plus 12xy minus 24yz minus 16xz. Here we will simplify it. 4x square is to be written as 2x whole square, and 9y square is to be written as 3y whole square, and 16z square is to be written as plus minus 4z whole square. Since we are having the terms involving negative sign, minus 20yz and minus 16xz plus 2 into 2x into 3y means 3 twos are 6, 6 twos are 12xy plus 2 into 3y into minus 4z, because 2 threes are 6, 6 fours are minus 24yz plus 2 into 2x into minus 4z, because minus 4 into 2 is minus 8 and minus 8 into 2 is minus 16xz. Now we will be using the identity previously proved here, that is a plus b plus c whole square is obviously equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 into ab plus bc plus ca. Here we will simplify it a little bit further. 2 is to be taken common here. It can be written as 2x whole square plus 3y whole square plus minus 4z whole square plus 2 into 2x into 3y plus 3y into minus 4z, because 2 is common, plus 2x into minus 4z. So obviously it is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 into ab plus bc plus ca. In place of a we are having 2x, in place of b we are having 3x, and in place of c we are having minus 4z. So we have got the right hand side of this identity. So obviously it would be equal to a plus b plus c whole square, meaning it will be equal to 2x plus 3y plus minus 4z whole square. So it will be equal to 2x plus 3y minus 4z whole square, and it can be written as 2x plus 3y minus 4z into 2x plus 3y minus 4z. These are the factors of this polynomial. Now next we will prove an identity. The identity is like this: a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Here, for proving this, we will consider the left hand side. Left hand side of this identity is equal to a plus b whole cube. It can be written as a plus b into a plus b whole square, because as it is known to you, when the bases are same, powers should be added. Here the power of a plus b is 1, and here the power of a plus b is 2. So it meaning the power of a plus b would be a plus b raised to the power 1 plus 2, that is equal to a plus b whole cube. We will simplify it. It is a plus b into As you know, a plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So we will multiply it here first with a into a square is a cube, and a into 2ab is plus 2a square b, and it is plus ab square. Now we will multiply with b, that is b a square or a square b plus 2a b square plus b cube. Here, sorry, a into a square is a cube plus b cube. So it will be equal to a cube plus b cube plus. Here we are having 2a square b, and here again we are having a square b, meaning it is 3a square b, and here we are having ab square plus 2ab square, meaning it will be equal to 3ab square. Here it will be equal to a cube plus b cube. Here we will take 3 common, a common and b common, plus 3ab into, in the bracket we will get a plus b. So a plus b whole cube is always equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Now we will do a question related to this identity. The question is question number 6. The first part is, write the following cubes in the expanded form. The first part is 2x plus 1 whole cube. Here we will directly use this identity, a plus b whole cube. It is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Here in place of a, here a is equal to 2x and b is equal to 1. Therefore 2x plus 1 whole cube is equal to a cube, meaning 2x whole cube plus b cube, meaning 1 cube, plus 3 into ab. 2x into 1 into a plus b, meaning 2x plus 1. Now we will simplify it. 2x whole cube meaning 8x cube plus 1 cube means 1, plus 3 2s are 6 into 1 is plus 6x into 2x plus 1. It can be further evaluated as 8x cube plus 1 plus 6 2s are 12x square plus 6x.